Greetings children, this is the third part of MCQs from your lesson, the third level. It is for class 12 Cbse students. These video lessons are very helpful for your Cbse board examination. So don't forget to watch it continuously and write down all the MCQs related in this video. Let us move on to look at the first question. Charlie was quite an ordinary man. Charlie was from Chicago, Seattle, New York, Galesburg. So one doubt you can come whether he is from Galesburg or New York. Charlie belongs to, no doubt, New York. He was a New Yorkian citizen. So C is the right option. Question number 2. The incident that happened with Charlie took place at that we know very clearly. It happened at the Grand Central Station, not Illinois Railway Station or Central Railway Station or New York Station. It happened at Grand Central Station. Question number 3. He was in a hurry to get home to his wife. Who was his wife? That is the question. Answer option number C. Louisa. Louisa was Charlie's wife. Question number 4. The third level platform was well lit and big? No. Well lit and big? No. Very large? No. Very dark? No. Small and dim. It is small station with ding. That ringing sound, hollow sound could be heard from there as he walks there. So D is the right option. Question number 5. The people were dressed in old-fashioned clothes, not in shabby clothes. Shabby here means untidy. Party clothes, no. Torn clothes. The people in the third level wore in old-fashioned dresses. Question number 6. A man pulled out a dash from his pocket. The man standing at the third level, he pulled out a watch from his pocket. So A is the right answer, not handkerchief or a pen or a derby hat. Question number 7. The area was lit up with the gas lamps, not bulbs or fireplaces or candles. The area was lit up with gas lamps. Question number 8. There were spittoons made of brass. Brass is the right option there. Question number 9. A newspaper said it was the year 1894. 1894, June 11 is the date printed on the newspaper The World. The name of the newspaper is The World and the date is June 11 and 1894 was the year printed on it. Question number 10. People had got into tunnels in the past that lead to places such as the Roosevelt Hotel. Yes, Roosevelt Hotel is the right option, not Central Park, Illinois Avenue or Times Square. They lead to Roosevelt Hotel. Even the narrator one day came out of the lobby of this Roosevelt Hotel. Question number 11. Charlie asked for 2 tickets to 1894 Galesburg. 1894 Galesburg. Galesburg, Illinois. But here Illinois of not 1855. So the right option is 1894 Galesburg, Illinois. Question number 12. The ticket clerk suspected Charlie for tendering old currency? No. Tendering real currency? No. Tendering fake currency. As the ticket clerk belonged to 1894, he couldn't see the new currency. So he thought that he was giving him fake notes or fake currency. So C is the right option, not A and C. C alone. Look at the next question. His friend Sam told him he was escaping from the struggle of life by fantasizing. Yes, Struggling to keep his lifestyle? No. Struggling to maintain a good marital relation? No. Fantasizing about his life in Galesburg. Not just fantasizing, escaping from the struggles of life by fantasizing. He wanted to escape from the harsh realities of modern life. Such an option can also be asked. Escaping from the struggles of life by fantasizing. So A is the right option. Question number 14. Philately is a hobby of collecting old stamps, not old stamps. Selling old stamps? No. Collecting stamps? Yes. Buying and selling stamps? No. So this collecting stamps is known as philately. And the man who does such a hobby is known as philatelist. So, Charley was a philatelist that he took from his grandfather. His grandfather was also a philatelist. Philately means collecting stamps. Don't forget that word, philately, collection of stamps. Look at this question. Question number 15. Charley not able to get to Galesburg because he had less old money. Whether he had a large amount of old money or less amount, that doesn't matter, because he went to the third level with a new currency. So not less old money. The clerk did not want to sell him the ticket. Actually, the clerk did not want to sell him the ticket because he did not have the bills, the old currency bills. That is the right option. The third level had vanished. It did not vanish. The door had vanished. No. So the right option here is the clerk did not want to sell him the tickets. So he couldn't reach Galesburg. Look at the 16th question. How did Sam reach Galesburg? Here Sam, the psychiatrist friend of Charley, how did he reach at Galesburg? Sam took St. Corey and Ives train from the second level? No. Sam had learned from Charley's mistakes? No. Sam bought a ticket with his currency? Yes, all the above. It was not all the above. Sam bought a ticket with his currency. Thus, he reached at Galesburg, Illinois. So, C is the right option. Question number 17. Sam reached the old Galesburg and settled him as a musician? No. As a doctor? As a psychiatrist? As a trader? Yes, he started at Galesburg, Illinois of 1894, the fodder business. And he started selling grains, fodder and things like that. So he became a trader there at Galesburg, Illinois. Look at question number 18. In Galesburg, the people had not experienced the wars. Yes, the wars are still off around 20 and 40 years. And B, they were not insecure and anxious and required a psychiatrist. When this Sam reached there, he couldn't continue his psychiatry business there because people did not need this psychiatry at the Galesburg, Illinois of 1894. So this is also true. The people kept to themselves and did not interfere. Yes, the people kept to themselves and they did not interfere in others' matters. So all the above is the right option for this question in Galesburg. Question number 19. The genre of the lesson, the third level is this word genre. Z-H genre. The genre of the lesson third level is not a historical fiction, it is not a tragedy, it's a science fiction, not a fantasy. You have the doubt that whether it is a fantasy or a science fiction. No doubt this lesson is come into the genre of, genre means the category of what? Science fiction. In science fiction, it is time travel, time travel science fiction. So, time travel science fiction is the genre of third level. Question number 20. What evidence did Charlie have that the third level existed? It was his birthplace? No. The stamp collection? No. His trip to the third level? Maybe. The cover letter from Sam. So which one is the right option out of these two? His trip to the third level. The cover letter from Sam. So what evidence Charlie had that the third level existed? It was the cover letter from Sam. That was the evidence he had. The last question. Sam went to Galesburg with his wife Louisa. Louisa is not Sam's wife. Louisa is Charlie's wife. With Louisa and lots of old currency. No, alone with lots of old currency. That may be the right answer. With his wife and lots of currency. Alone with lots of old currency is the right option there. That is the end of the third part of MCQs from the third lesson. We will continue with different MCQs from all the lessons of class 12. To get the notification, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. Thank you for watching till the end.